Hi, I'm back with another Influencer VoxBox. This one, I believe, is called the Cozy VoxBox. Yes, if I can find the right card. Yes, here it is. Cozy VoxBox. On the back, there's just a list of the things that are on there. So the next thing in here is this Ebates card. It says it gives you access to 40% cash back, up to 2,000 plus stores, 10,000 plus coupons. So there's that. It also came with a Country Crock card with a cookie recipe on the back. And this Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay color instructions, I'm guessing. The first thing in the box are 2 Pilot pins, one blue and one red. The next thing is a free coupon for this coupon is good for one spread, I guess. Not real sure on that. And also another coupon for a Daisy Sour Cream Squeeze. I wonder if these... No expiration date on that one. This doesn't have one either. Alrighty. Okay, the next thing in here are the simple cleansing facial wipes. I really like this. I like the micellar ones. And then the last thing in here is the Super Stay 24 color. I don't know what. What, baby? Then go pee.
Go pee.
I don't know what color this is in. Just says step 1 color, step 2 top coat. Oh, it's in shade 025. Keep up the flame. It's a really pretty bright red. Doesn't really show the color very well on my computer. But that is it in my Influencer Cozy VoxBox. If you would like to sign up for Influencer, I will put the link below. And also the link to sign up for 6 free months of Amazon Prime if you have an EDU emailing address. So, goodbye.
Bye.